The GoPro Hero 13 is here, and it just might be the smartest, toughest, most powerful action camera GoPro has ever made. If you're a creator, traveler, athlete, or just someone who loves capturing life, this is the upgrade you've been waiting for. Let's break down exactly what makes the Hero 13 special and why it might be the best action camera on the market today. First up, video quality. The Hero 13 shoots in a stunning 6K resolution with improved HDR. Your footage is sharper, colors are richer, and every detail, from the smallest splash to the widest landscape, is captured with crystal clarity. And yes, it supports up to 240 frames per second in 4K. That's smooth slow motion that looks like it came straight out of a Hollywood movie. Low light? No problem. The new night vision mode pushes performance in darker environments, so your late night adventures finally look as good as your daytime ones. Then there's HyperSmooth 6.0, the next evolution of GoPro's legendary stabilization. Whether you're running, biking, surfing, or jumping off cliffs, safely of course, your footage stays rock steady. No gimbal, no shake, just smooth cinematic action. Next up, battery life. The new Enduro battery lasts up to 40% longer and handles extreme temperatures way better than before. You can record longer in the cold, heat, rain, snow, anywhere your adventure takes you. But the Hero 13 isn't just about raw power. It's also smarter than ever. With built-in AI features like auto framing, horizon lock, and smart highlights, your camera now helps you edit, even while you're shooting. Just focus on the moment and let the Hero 13 do the rest. Of course, it's still rugged and waterproof, up to 33 feet or 10 meters without a case. And the new scratch-resistant lens cover and body coating mean it's built to take a beating and keep filming. Compared to the Hero 12, what's new? Sharper edge-to-edge clarity, a faster processor that speeds up everything, from boot up to playback, smarter voice controls that actually understand you, and seamless cloud integration automatically back up your footage without lifting a finger. Now let's talk about who this camera is for. If you're a vlogger, the front-facing screen, upgraded audio, and stabilization make it your new best friend. If you're into travel, action sports, or even casual weekend fun, this thing's a no-brainer. And if you're a content creator, you now have a camera that shoots in 6K, edits with AI, and fits in your pocket. So here's the deal. If you want a camera that keeps up with your lifestyle, delivers cinematic footage, and won't let you down when the action heats up, the GoPro Hero 13 is the one to get. Click the link in the description to learn more or grab yours today. And if you're watching this after buying it, congratulations. You're officially filming in beast mode.